You can make your bitter leaf pancake just to be healthy. The steps are just here. You can see that I have my eggs. I have a little bit of milk with oil. I put in my bitter leaf and a flour. So I'm going to blend them together, and I'll show you the end results later. Some spices in my pancake. Secret spices. You can see the bitter leaf is bittering in the frying pan, right? The avocado oil. The crepe is almost ready. I think I have a little bit oil. I reduce it. And here is my after result of my bitter leaf pancake. Tastes yummy.